In this tutorial, I will discuss how you can convert normal numbers into Roman. So these are the numbers that I will convert into Roman numbers. So here I will convert the numbers in lower letters, and here I will convert the numbers in Roman in upper letters. So it's very simple trick. So for that I will use equals to lower function, and here I will pass Roman function, and here I will select this cell. I will close the parenthesis, and again I will close the parenthesis, and I will press enter, and you can see this number has been converted into Roman in lower letters. So I will simply drag this formula, and let's center align the text, and you can see the numbers has been converted into Roman in lower letters. For example, 50 L, 100 C, 500 D, 1000 M, and you can see I have converted all the normal numbers into Roman numbers using one formula only. And now let's convert Roman in upper letters. For that I will use upper, and here I will pass Roman, and I will select this cell, close the bracket, and again close the parenthesis, press enter, and just simply drag this formula here and center align the text. So you can see the normal numbers has been converted into Roman in lower letters and Roman in upper letters. So very simple to use.